Hello at part 2 of short-term visa. In this part 2 I'm going to explain to you what eligibility requirement you need to complete in order to get a short-term visa. Be genuinely seeking entry to study as a short-term student. Be age 16 or over, have been accepted on an English language course by an accredited institution. Intend to leave UK within 30 days after the end of the course. Maintain and accommodate themselves out of funds available to them. Meet the cost of their onward or return journey. And the last, they have paid their course fee and they are able to demonstrate their accommodation funds. I really hope this information was helpful for every one of you. Write me down if you have other questions.